Hey guys, welcome back to AY Outside. In this video, we're going to be unboxing an accessory for our ninebot Go-Kart Pro. Let's do it. Now we're going to open it. We don't need this. Alright, so the accessory we got is a speedometer for our go-kart. It goes right on the steering wheel. So now let's set it up and let's drive. Now let's put some batteries in it. So you take off this back cover right here and you just put two AA batteries. So one like this and one like this. And then you just put the cover back on like so. Now let's figure out how to turn it on. Alright, so the way you turn it on is you just click this big red button. So you click it, now you see the speedometer, and then you just turn on your go-kart, let it beep, and now you can see it's connected because these words are glowing. So how you install it? So you take out this center piece right here, and I think you just clip it in like this, like that. So then it is installed. So now let's drive. Now let's go through each of the modes. So your first mode, which is your slowest mode, is your eco mode. The next mode, you just click this down. You have your strada mode or your comfort mode. Next you have your sport mode. And then finally you have your Corsa. You have your Corsa mode or your track mode, which is your fastest mode. Now let's drive.
Life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends.
Thank you guys for watching my speedometer unboxing video. Hope you thought it was pretty cool. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if there's anything else you want me to do with the go-kart, and see you later.
It's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got